I'd be a little offended because what did I do to you?
You'd probably be more than offended if your trip to Dunkin' played out like this. A woman previously hospitalized with the coronavirus intentionally coughed in the face of a disabled grandmother with her grandson in the car.
It all played out in the Dunkin' drive-thru in Lehigh Acres. And NBC2's Zach Barrett tells us how it started and how it went from bad to worse.
An argument starting in the Dunkin' drive-thru ends with deputies being called when one woman gets out, cough in a disabled grandmother's face with her grandson in the car, and says to her, "I've had COVID-19, and now you do too."
You're purposely giving someone, it kind of seems like premeditated murder to me personally.
LCSO deputies, donning personal protective equipment, arriving on scene where the COVID cougher tells them not only has she tested positive, but she's been hospitalized for the virus.
I mean, especially with this pandemic, it's pretty serious. People, in fact, are dying over it. So I think it's wrong. It's malicious.
The elderly woman getting a COVID cough instead of a coffee couldn't even dodge the attack, needing her wheelchair to even get out of the car.
Yeah, I think that definitely changes things a lot.
I'd definitely be very angry at that person. I'd try to get the police involved.
Deputies opting not to arrest the COVID cougher after the woman denied threatening the other woman with the virus, something Lehigh ice cream truck driver Jennifer Vargas thinks is far from sweet.
They're wrongfully trying to get someone else sick. They should get in trouble.
What's wrong with you that you felt the need to get that aggressive?
That's kind of like murder, if you have it.
Reporting in Lehigh Acres, Zach Barrett, NBC2.